Hey guys, it's Las Vegas Shop here. These are the current kit racks that we are using. We had an issue during transportation of them where we had actually bumped something and lost a couple of pieces of metal. Got together, seen how we could fix it. Our apprentice just simply stated, let's put some eye hooks and some bungees. Here's our fix.
Hey guys, it's Rory over here in Las Vegas Shop. I want to go over one of the lean lessons that we had a couple of days ago. We were moving these kit racks around. They never used to move around that much before. They used to be pretty stationary here, where we just pull one piece and get it on the table, fab it, do everything. Now we got more guys in the shop, so we have to move these from where we're cutting to where we're actually fabbing on the way there. So we had some of these actually get knocked over, got some damage on them. Luckily we were able to make it work. But anyway, we came up with this quick solution. One of our first year guys in here, Ian, came up with putting some eye hooks on there. He said bungee cords, but we took it a little bit bigger and went with straps here. So we just hook up these straps real quick. Only when we're transporting the kit racks do we need those. But we hook those up and we get two people on each side and we go ahead and take it over there to where we're normally fabbing. Yeah, that's our lean video for the week. Thank you.